Hello, my lovely friends. I hope you are doing great. Today, we're going to talk about language to be used in order to emphasize a point. But before getting into that, I would like to ask you for your subscription, because that way I understand that what I'm doing is really profitable for you and you are getting a lot out of it. So please subscribe to the channel and smash that like button if you haven't already. So let's get started. The first thing that we should be looking for is, of course, I'm sure that many of you already use it. Of course, the most effective way for you to improve your writing skill is through practice, and that is a fact, isn't it? The next item would be obviously. Obviously, this method can help people reduce stress and negative feelings. So you can go for obviously as well. Just remember you need a comma to be placed after of course and obviously. The other point that I would like your attention to be grabbed to is about help. Help is a verb that can be followed by to plus a verb, or you can omit that too. There are two different kinds of variations, both of which are completely acceptable based on the standard English language. The next item would be needless to say, which is really common and useful. Needless to say, the number of criminals increases in many countries nowadays. Just remember, there is no comma after that, because I see that a lot of you beautiful people usually make that mistake because you feel like, having that kind of stop or pause after needless to say, but there is no comma or punctuation out there. The next item would be about the number of. If you remember in the previous video, I just told you about that. I said that whenever you use the number of, you have to go for a singular verb in order to agree with the subject. So here we go with the number of criminals increases. So you see that the singular verb has been used as well. And the last item that has to be covered with regards to emphasizing a point would be essentially. Essentially, unemployed people need to find a way to make a living. So essentially would be somehow the same as of course or obviously or needless to say. In order to have everything as a kind of a wrap up, I would tell you that you must use a comma after of course, obviously and essentially, but there is no comma followed by needless to say. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please, if you really like what I'm doing, subscribe to the channel and smash like button. Thank you for your cooperation and bye-bye.